Hi, I'm Lisa, I work at Blackbird Agency, and today I will present you ACM. Advanced Content Manager is an extension for Magento, which facilitates creation and maintenance of content on your e-commerce sites. From now, for simplicity's sake, we call it ACM. ACM, is a content management extension and is the leading CMS extension since 2014. This solution is available for Magento 1 and 2, regardless of its version. As an e-merchant or e-commerce specialist, you are perfectly aware of this major problem: how to improve your referencing to increase your visibility, your traffic, and your commercial opportunities. The content strategy or inbound marketing is no longer to define today, and is undoubtedly already part of your current or planned missions. The problem today on Magento is that content creation is so unintuitive that it's difficult and time-consuming to generate regular content. For a content adapted to your brand image, you usually need the expensive intervention of a developer in order to integrate a style layer and make it more attractive. The module works very simply in 3 steps. First, configure a content type with specific fields that you have defined. Second, organize information blocks and add the style you want in coherence with your visual identity. ACM is compatible with Page Builder, simplifying the structuring of your content type with drag and drop. Finally, create a content from this content type and publish it. Do you want to make changes? Without any technical knowledge, your marketing team will be able to modify the editorial content. In short, ACM is easy to use, intuitive, and saves your time. Let's take the example of an online grocery store which wants to publish cooking recipes on its e-commerce site. Among the objectives that our e-merchant wants to achieve with the content strategy, we can mention attract qualified traffic, improve the conversion rate, increase your average basket and the item basket, improve the visibility with a long-term SEO strategy less expensive than SEA, and improve your customer experience. In short, stand out from the competition, build customer loyalty, and above all, increase your sales. Let's talk again about our online grocery store, which features online recipes on its site, for example, a delicious chocolate fudge. By configuring its content type once and using the repeater fields, our e-merchant can publish content regularly and quickly. By creating links during the configuration of the content type, he can link products like sugar and eggs to his chocolate fudge recipe. This way, he can take care of internal linkage, improve his conversion rate, and increase potentially the average cart value and the item cart value. By declaring URL, defining keywords and metadata, he improves the visibility of his store to attract qualified traffic. He can also solicit his customers with reviews, publish testimonials, pictures of their achievements, and, for example, collect suggestions of recipes. This way, he can engage his customers and above all, build loyalty. And here is how, with a simple recipe, the ACM extension can achieve all these objectives. I'll stop here for now because if I had to show you the full range of ACM's features, this video would be way too long and I know your time is far too valuable. So, I'll let you learn more by going directly on our store. Your strategy is not limited to blogging. ACM can create any type of editorial content, like blog, product pages, FAQ, virtual catalog, lookbook, reference page, team presentation, store locator, size guide, and much more. Your only limit is your imagination. If you buy an extension for each of your needs, it will be very expensive. Buy only one with which you can do everything, the ACM Swiss Life. ACM is the only Magento extension that allows you to save time in managing content and preserve your budget allocated to the e-commerce strategy. Here we come to the end of this video. I hope you now understand why ACM is the best asset to fully take control of your content strategy. See you soon!